Hi, my name is Dominick, and today we're going to show you how to assemble a platform bed insert. Now, a platform bed insert is an excellent alternative for people who want a non-upholstered base for their mattress. It's very supportive and fits in any standard bed frame. It's made out of solid maple and comes together without any tools whatsoever. Let's get started. Start by setting the rails into the bed frame or on the floor. Rails can be identified by their notches. Face the smooth sides out. Next, attach the end pieces. These are the pieces with metal brackets and no wooden notches. Line the end brackets, one side at a time, with the rails. Once they are aligned, use downward pressure to lock in the brackets. Make sure the rails and ends are now flush. If you are setting up a full size or larger, there will be a center support to set in at this point. Now locate the slats. There are 2 slats with holes which fit at the ends, and the rest are placed between them. And there you have it. Lay your mattress down on the surface and sleep well tonight. Thanks for watching.